Ever been casually scrolling through Facebook and something pops up that you really didn't want to see? Yeah, we have all been there. But what if I told you there is a way to filter out all the sensitive content so your feed only shows what you want? Stick with me because by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to take control of your Facebook feed and make it a safe zone. Sensitive content can be anything from violent posts to disturbing images, and if you like me, you want to avoid that mess. Luckily, Facebook lets you customize what shows up if you know where to look, so let's dive right in. So hello everyone, welcome back to our new videos and let's start the video. First of all, open your Facebook app and then you will be on the feed. Now tap on the three vertical lines that is at the corner. Scroll a little down and hit settings and privacy option and then tap on settings. Scroll until you see content preferences option. Inside it, you will see options to limit sensitive content. You can choose to reduce how much sensitive stuff you see, like violent images or offensive posts. Now tap on the show less option. So that's it. Remember, social media is supposed to make your day better, not worse. So don't feel guilty about curating your space. Take charge of your feed because what you see every day affects your mind. Choose wisely. So if this video helped you, then hit the like button and do subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye, see you all in the next video.